Crude oil finally showing signs of recovery after hitting the lows today at 59. It is now posting a recovery and we have seen it now moving close to $60 levels here. While natural gas after hitting the highs at 3.44 now trying to reverse and erase some of the gains. Can we expect this trend to continue? Can we say now that oil is turned bullish and natural gas is again back on the sell side? Or we are looking forward to a continuation of the previous trend, that is a drop in oil and rise in gas. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil and nat gas today? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detail analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And you can also support it, or you can also appreciate the effort by sharing the super thanks. Do that. Let's start. First, we look into crude oil, followed with nat gas. Watch till the end. See, oil on the hourly chart, so far it is trading in this bearish channel. Very important for it to now trade above 60.2. And once it trades above 60.2, you can expect 60.5 first target, 61 the next. And if it stays above 61, it is going to deliver a massive up move here all the way towards 61.4, 61.6 and 62 levels. Any move beyond 62 is the only confirmation of reversal. Yes, it can deliver. It has already delivered massive down move. The inventory data today could add fuel to the fuel here, and then the prices might rally, and hence you have to watch out at 60.2 levels. Beyond this, certainly the bulls will be taking over. See, it was trading with extreme bearishness. Look at this drop, retracement drop. So the second round of retracement should appear here, and this could also take it all the way towards 62 possibly. The stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, now trading with divergence. Very good sign for the bulls here. RSI coming out of the oversold zone, looking upwards, coming to 2 hour. On the 2 hour charts, what has happened? See, after hitting the lows, forming the base, it is trying to recover. It is trading with divergence from the 20 period, which suggests at least it has to move towards 60.5 levels. And beyond this, 61 is the hurdle. It needs to break 61, 62. This is going to remain a greater hurdle zone for crude oil on the upside. If it stays above 61, 62, you can just stay bullish for, in fact, 65, 67 as well very soon, if not today. Stochastic rising sharp. The MACD has hit a lows here on the 2 hour charts, and now trying to cross over. This crossover can lead to reversal. RSI coming out of the oversold zone, coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour chart, see a similar observation. See, it is showing signs of reversal here. Yes, after series of bearish candle, it is trying to reverse, and here 60.2 is going to be a good resistance, and then 60.5, 60.6. If these two levels are taken, we are looking forward to a reversal here. 61, 61.4. And then 62 levels can also be there very soon, if not today. The moving averages have crossed over, trading with divergence. Also notice what's happening here after the drop, retracement, and now it is breaking over here. Now it is important to note, if it trades below 58 any point of time, it is gonna deliver a massive down move towards 55. The stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish, trying to converge. The RSI is oversold here. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour chart, similar observation. After a series of bearish candle, it is trying to reverse, and it is very important now for oil to break beyond 60.2. Now this is going to be the reversal candle. This is going to be the reversal candle. This both. And now see, this is after a bearish trend, a greener candle appearing with the tail suggests a reversal. This might call for the bulls all the way towards 61, 62 zone. Let's watch out if it delivers this move today. Moving averages definitely are trading bearish here. The stochastic is oversold, trying to recover now, and the MACD is bearish, trying to still trade in bearish zone. So right now it is still not confirming a reversal, and that is where I say 60.2 you should watch out. Beyond this, bullishness might prevail. RSI oversold here. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, what has happened? Two sharp bearish candles, and now it is trying to start retracing. It is breached the support zone. It has moved towards 59, and now trying to fall back within the critical zone at 60. And now once it trades beyond 60.2, the bullishness will increase, and then 60.5, 61, and in fact 61.4, 61.6 can be seen here. If at all it trades beyond 61.6, the bulls will try to take over. Notice I do see this as like this, where this might continue in this retracement channel. The highs are towards 66. Let's watch out. Stochastic oversold. The MACD again trying to cross over for sell, though it is already at an oversold zone here, and the RSI is comfortable here. So looking at this, what I'll recommend, you can buy at 60.2, expect it to move towards 60.5, 60.6, 61, and then beyond 61 stay bullish for 61.4, 61.6 and 62 as the next targets. On the downside, where you should sell, I will only recommend you to sell at 59.4, where 59 is going to be one critical support. Below 59 is stay short for 58.5. 58 levels. Below 58, no looking back. Stay short further. 56.5 and 55 is going to be there on the charts. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 32nd mentorship batch starting 5th of May. Only limited seats are now available. See, in this batch, you are going to get all the tools, techniques, and strategies developed with our years of experience. So do not miss to join this. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a safe-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. So for any of your queries, just write down and let's connect. Now let's move to natural gas. See, natural gas after swinging and taking support here, it has seen a good swing. So far it was seen taking the support from 20 period. Now it is breaking below, but yet to break below the critical support at 3.34, because once it trades below 3.34, that is the only point of time we can confirm that this is a breakdown, and you can look forward to the targets towards 3.3 and lower level. How low? I have mentioned earlier in the day as well that if it stays below 3.3, there is a strong possibility that today or tomorrow it can hit 3.2 before bouncing back, and this complete zone between 3.2 and 3.3 is going to act as a critical support here. Stochastic looking down, the MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bearish. RSI is dropped here. Coming to 2 hour chart. On the 2 hour charts, we can see a greater resistance is offered. Earlier in the day, I have mentioned 3.44, 3.45 you should watch out for. Definitely it has acted as a greater resistance and now trying to reverse. However, the selling entries are only below 3.354, the 3-4 levels. Stochastic looking down, the MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence. And this is why I said, see, it has seen a good rise, it is willing to retrace, and it might continue here on the downside for a while. RSI is looking downwards, signs of bearishness here. Coming to the 3-hour chart, similar observation. Resistance on the upside, reversal here, support here till towards 3.34 levels, very strong. Below 3.34 is where we can say slight bearishness should be seen. The stochastic looking down. MACD has seen a good rise, now crossing over for sell here. RSI looking downwards. On the 4-hour charts also similar observation here. See, a flat top is seen, which suggests that only buying entry has to be above 3.4445 zone. And if you only see it is staying above 3.45, then only I will recommend a buy now. And see, this is how it has been trading, support till towards 3.54 and resistance at 3.44. This is the zone it has to come out of. Though the moving averages have crossed over here, this is a very good sign for the bulls. As this crossover comes from after a good enough bearishness, this might continue on here on the upside. But what's happening? Rise, retracement, bigger rise, bigger retracement should follow, which suggests that it can possibly come down all the way towards 3.2, 3.24 before bouncing back. This possibility you should always watch out for. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD is trading bullish, trying to converge here, not yet crossing over. Signs are still bullish. RSI coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to daily. On the daily charts here, reversal sign was seen, two strong bullish candle, resistance from 20 period, and yes, divergence from the 20 period was one reason for natural gas to converge all the way towards here. Now it is definitely struggling at 20 period moving average. So I'll now wait for it to stay above 3.45, which will confirm the next move towards 3.5. And once it trades beyond 3.5, close your eyes, stay bullish for 3.6. Now this is possible that it can stay in range today before it gives you a breakout tomorrow with the net gas inventory data. And see, what it is doing right now is higher lows, lower highs, and this suggests that today it is going to be difficult for it to break below 3.34. But yes, if it does, 3.3 is the most strongest support which it is going to find today. Below 3.3, stay short. Stochastic overbought. MACD crossed over here at the bottom. Very good sign for the bulls. This is definitely a good indication for a strong reversal in natural gas. RSI coming out of the oversold zone. So now considering this, I will only recommend you to buy if you see it is staying above 3.44 levels. Beyond this, expect it to move towards 3.48, 3.5. And if it stays above 3.5, chances will be very high that natural gas should hit 3.6 levels very soon, if not today. But then it is very important for it to stay above 3.5. And on the downside, now I'll recommend a selling entry at 3.34 levels. If it stays below 3.34, stay short for 3.3. And below 3.3 is where the bears will take over. 3.26 and 3.2 levels will appear, which is going to 3.2, 3.22 is going to remain the most critical support here for the day, for the week. As long as 3.2, 3.22 is not taken, do not treat this as bearish. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session.